Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 536. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. I've been buying $1 Bitcoin every day for over 500 days. Today is going to be day number 536. If you aren't familiar with Cash App, definitely check out the Cash App playlist with hundreds of tutorials to learn how. You can also sign up using my link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment section, which is the squiggly line in the tab bar. Then we can hop to Bitcoin. So we've got Bitcoin at $9,536. The Bitcoin that I own is worth $676. Bitcoin's up a little bit today, up about 4% on the week. Some nice moves towards the second half of this week. Up 2 or 3% on the month, down 2% on the year. So pretty much dead even for a long time. On the all-time chart, you can see we had this huge run up in 2017 and we've just been consolidating ever since. So pretty much the same story for a little over a month now. You can scroll down, see my Bitcoin owned up at the top where we've reached over 0.07 now, so that's nice. And under the activity, you can see my consistent $7 purchases every Friday. So let's go ahead and do that. Tap the buy button, tap the 3 dots, type in $7, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. We've still got a 3% fee, but you got to do what you got to do. Tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $7 more of Bitcoin. If we scroll down here, we can see Bitcoin owned 0.0716. So our long-term goal is to get to 0.1 Bitcoin for this experiment. That would be pretty dope. Just gonna keep dollar cost averaging at the rate of $1 per day. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $683, 683 divided by 536 days equals a 1.27x on our investment. So that's pretty good, up about 4% from the last video. I think Bitcoin is looking pretty good right now. Let me show you this chart real quick. So it's holding this green trend line since, about May. It's got some pretty good support. So whenever it comes down here, buyers are putting in their orders and they're buying Bitcoin, and it's holding the moving averages as well. So that was a daily chart. Let's go ahead and go to a weekly chart. So this is the huge run up in 2017. You can see consolidation ever since then. We got the moving averages right here. It's kind of holding those pretty well. Really well, actually. So I'd like to see it, just keep coming through here, break this major trend line. You can see this trend right here. Just got to break through that. Then we're off. So there you have it, the update for day number 536. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.